Hi, this is Magdalena from Email Octopus, and today I'd like to show you what to do when you see a notification that your campaign contains invalid syntax. Syntax errors happen when there is something in the HTML code of your campaign that prevents it from going out. Usually it's related to unsupported or invalid merge tags. You can use merge tags to insert dynamic values into your campaigns. To work properly, they must be added in the required format. Otherwise, they will trigger an invalid syntax error. If you'd like to learn more about using them, we recommend our knowledge base article titled Customization Cheat Sheet. Don't worry though, you don't have to memorize it all. There's a very convenient way to add merge tags in our editor. When you click inside the text block, you'll see the toolbar with various options to adjust your text. The bottom right icon is a drop-down menu with merge tags. Here you can choose the merge tag you'd like to add to your text. That way it's guaranteed you'll add it in the proper format. There are 2 merge tags required in all campaigns that you send out. The first one is the sender info merge tag. When added, it'll insert the physical address from your account details into your campaign. You shouldn't write your actual address here, the tag will add it automatically. It'll be displayed in a column, but if you prefer to have it all in one line, you can use sender info line instead. The other required merge tag is unsubscribe URL. You will add a unique unsubscribe link for each recipient of your email. Since this particular merge tag creates a long URL, it needs to be hyperlinked to text. For example, unsubscribe here. To do that, add it from the drop-down menu or insert it like any other link. Highlight the text and add the merge tag here. If you're using our free starter plan, we also require a link back to Email Octopus in every campaign. You'd need to add it with a rewards URL merge tag, which also needs to be hyperlinked to text or an image. If you're creating custom HTML code, make sure to close all tags correctly. Missing brackets would cause invalid syntax errors too. Finally, if you paste HTML template code from a different provider into our classic editor, please update all merge tags in that template to their Email Octopus counterparts. Merge tags from other platforms won't work in Email Octopus, and they might cause syntax errors. If you checked all of the above and the issue continues, don't hesitate to get in touch with us using live chat or via email. And that's all there is to know about syntax errors. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!